Jangan lupa subscribe-nya dan juga loncengnya.
Hi, we are from group 1. And my name is Daripada.
My name is Sabrina.
My name is Sawa.
My name is Daripada.
My name is Aya.
We are going to make noodle pudding.
And we got the recipe from @andes.tv on Instagram. Let's start the video.
Noodle pudding, we need 3 packs agar-agar powder and 2 packs jelly powder. And we need 12 packs of instant chocolate.
Strawberry jam.
Water. We need 11 glass of water.
And last but not least, we need baking sheets and this pan. It's heavy. We need to wash our hand and make sure your hand is clean.
Of water into the pan.
Into the pan. And stir.
We stir in into baking sheets. In fridge about 20 minutes. Pudding on flat.
Result, and thanks for watching. Bye. We need to wash our
Ah!